Whether you're building a new home or remodeling an existing one, and your plans include installing a new home comfort system, there are a few factors you need to think about before making a purchase. You need to look closely at the efficiency and sound ratings of the equipment. Systems that carry the Energy Star seal are a great place to start. It's also a good idea to read consumer reviews of various systems. But you also want to pay very close attention to the efficiency ratings set forth by the U.S. Department of Energy. For air conditioners, you want to look at the SEER number. That's SEER. It stands for the Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio. The higher that SEER number, the more efficiently that unit's going to utilize power. Now, the minimum SEER you're going to look for is 13, but remember, the higher the number, the better. Furnaces and water heaters, they're going to be measured by their annual fuel utilization efficiency. That measures how much heat is delivered to the home as compared to how much fuel it takes to deliver that heat. That minimum AFUE right now, 78%, but again, I've seen it much higher. Now, for heat pumps, they're measured by their HSPF. That stands for the Heating Seasonal Performance Factor. Now, that number, you want a minimum of 7.7. But if you get a high efficiency heat pump with an HSPF of, say, 9 or 10, it's going to pay for itself in energy dollar savings within a few short years. This tip is brought to you by Lennox. Innovation never felt so good.